Hi, my name is Dawn, and this is my review of the Jetrick 15-piece Shower Caddy replacement strips. So this 15 pack comes with 3 different sizes. Those that have 3, 1, and 2. I've already used the 2 to put up another caddy set in a different bathroom, but wanted to just share a little bit of information and having already installed and then about to install these 2 in the master bath shower. So the product itself is a little thinner, not, I would say, as like higher quality as the ones that the caddy initially came with, but having installed another caddy in a different shower worked just as well. So we'll see how things pan out when we move again and potentially have to take these down and get them off. I'm hoping they might be a little easier to come off, actually being thinner and the adhesive not being so thick. Definitely didn't see any issues and haven't had any issues in the other bathroom. So far so good. I hope this review helps.